Hi, I'm Jill Bombacci. Welcome back to Keeping It Simple. Let's talk about our all-in-one charging solution. The Charging Plus station is our premium all-in-one charger, designed to provide both power and protection for hearing devices, and is a great option to use with Reach Rix and other compatible devices. It features an integrated drying function and UV cleaning light to ensure optimal performance and extend the lifespan of all compatible hearing aids. Hearing aids can be fully charged in about 4.5 hours, and this charger features a convenient 30-minute quick charge. The charger is also equipped with LED lights for each hearing aid, which display the charging status, and an additional LED light to indicate the cleaning status. For added protection, the Charging Plus station features a protective lid to ensure optimal cleaning and safe storage of the hearing aids. Its scratch-resistant design ensures durability and comes standard with a USB-C cable and power adapter. The Charging Plus station is the ultimate accessory to keep your hearing aids performing at their best. Thanks for watching Keeping It Simple. See you next time.